long vowel E sound, okay? So both sounds today make the E sound. So this is a two-letter sound and it makes the E sound. E, E. So you've got E and A together in words makes the E sound, okay? Two letters making one sound. E, E, E. Okay, so let's put this sound into some words then, okay? First one we have is T, 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 E. And being British, I couldn't not do this word with this E sound because I do love to drink tea. T, E, T. Okay, three letters with two sounds. T. Okay, next one we have leave. Leave. I will leave the building. Okay, leave, to go. L, E, V. Leave. L, Eve, leave. Got a V two-letter sound here. E, L, Eve, leave. I will leave the building. Okay, so that is 5 letters with 3 sounds. L, Eve, 3 sounds. Okay, going on to our last one, which is cleaned. Okay, cleaned. L, E, D. Cleaned. Okay, L together to make a cl sound. Cl, cl. Okay, it's adjacent consonants. We blend them quickly together. Cl, E, N, D. Cleaned. I cleaned the house yesterday. Okay, cleaned. Cl, E, N, D. Okay, this at the end, this two-letter sound, E and D, it can make the D sound, T and id sound. In today's word cleaned, it makes the D sound. Cleaned, cleaned. Okay, so how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many sounds? Cleaned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sounds. Okay, so let's go through these sounds and words all again together. Do it with me at home, like always, to practice your pronunciation. That would be great. E, E, T, T, E, T. Leave, Eve, leave. Okay, and cleaned. Cleaned, cleaned. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.